Learn how to add and reorder favorites in the Azure dashboard in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. When you're working inside of the Azure portal, you might have a particular set of resources that you like working with fairly often when you come in. When you look at the left side here, you can see that I have a favorite section. And under my favorites, I have things like function apps, I have SQL databases, I have Azure Active Directory, and other services that I like working with. You can easily customize the favorites that you see simply by going to All Services, and then you can easily click the star that's next to some of these options. Here, let's say I'm going to add B2C. I want to add Azure B2C as one of my options. And let's type key. I want to add Key Vault. So I've just added two new options to my favorites. Now, when I add them, notice that they end up all the way down here at the bottom. So it's still kind of hard for me to see them. So what I can do is I can click on this little option that's here, and I can drag them all the way up to the top. So it gives them a little bit more visibility. I'm going to grab my Key Vault one. I'm going to move this up too. So now my Azure AD B2C and my Key Vault resources are much easier for me to get to because now the options are in my favorites and they're much higher up. So it's very easy for me to go in and just get to them really quickly.